Hello everyone. Are you looking for a way to earn extra income from the comfort of your own home? Well, freelancing might be the perfect solution for you. Freelancing is a way to work independently as a self-employed professional, providing services to clients around the world. Here's how to get started. Identify your skills and what services you can offer. This could be anything from writing, graphic design, web development, or virtual assistance. Create a professional portfolio that showcases your skills and previous work experience. Sign up for freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to start bidding on projects. Make sure to build a professional profile, and complete your profile with a great profile picture and comprehensive information about your skills and experience. Be proactive and bid on as many projects as you can. Make sure to submit high-quality proposals and communicate with the client effectively. Once you secure a project, deliver high-quality work and keep communication open with the client. This will help you build a positive reputation, which will lead to more projects and increased income. So, that's it. Start freelancing today and take control of your financial future. Good luck!